In Jakarta especially, it's so crowded here. We are regarded as the most polluted city in the world.
In my city, there are a lot of motorcycle and car.
When I walk outside, I sometimes get irritated, or I sometimes get like a breathing problem.
Even before COVID, I always wear a mask.
Most millennials in Jakarta live in like small cubicle space of apartment, so it's very hard for them to like find some space to grow plant. And I think some of us are really like ignore the problem of air pollution because we also have no time for that, because most of us like work overtime, 9 to 5, even 9 to 9.
I know the task since 2019, but I always have the problem to find a team. During the 2021, me and all my teammates are having the exchange in University of Pennsylvania, and many of my friends really someone who really passionate about general competition.
Air pollution in our country just worse than every year. And last month, my uncle he died, and one of the reasons is also because of this air pollution things. The problem is very close to me, so I just felt like by making this idea works, I think I can contribute like making a little bit better for our environment.